To customize theme in Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all, let's open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we want to locate our personalization. Then scroll down again until we find the themes, and from here we can go to my account right here. Click on customize theme. Then you can see a bunch of different options. There's a lock style that you can click on and apply different theme to it. And this will only apply to lock style. So if you have downloaded different themes, you can apply, for example, this one right here, but only to the lock screen. And then there's the status bar. You can also apply different themes from here. Then we can go for the icons and do the same thing. There's also favorite tray and a boot animation. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.